Hey guys, welcome to All Things Fifi. And here we're just going to talk about just all things, everything in my life, from my newborn baby. Yes, I have a newborn. She is not even 2 months yet, and I love her so much. To my my husband, to my career, and to friends, family, real life issues. So I'm super excited. This is my first video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really want to just help people, and just giving a little more positivity to the world. It's just, this isn't the nicest world. So just to put a smile on someone's face, that makes the world of a difference to me. And definitely I would say, my baby girl, her nursery, it took a lot of time, but it was worth it because she's worth it. And just the love that's in her room, when you walk in her room, you just feel the love. And I'm super excited to just share her room with you guys. You guys are the first to see. So I just had a newborn baby girl, and I told you guys my hair is not laid, my makeup's not fleeky, but it's okay. I will be back. I'm bouncing back. I'm getting back into the groove of things. I mean, if anyone has kids, you understand and you get it. You know what it is. So I can't wait to just have a real video to just let you know how it is being a parent. And it's an adjustment, it's a life-changing event, but it's so beautiful, and it's worth every blood, sweat, and tear that you go through in the first couple of months. But I definitely think it's something that needs to be addressed and talked about, just so people can know. So yeah.